Alright guys, let me see if this thing is on. What the hell is this?
You want to sell baby stuff across the street? I mean, what kind of baby toys you got right here?
I don't know what was going on. Huh? What happened? No, I don't want no goddamn baby toys. What's wrong with you? No. Bro, you messing up my video. What's wrong here? Alright guys, so I lost hope, but you know, parts came in, so we got to jump into the Mini. And we're betting. How much money you got on this? I said the Mini don't start because they didn't replace the battery, and I left the car open. How much what you want to put on it? $5? Alright. It might start, it might not. Let me just, I mean, it's not gonna run good now. I just want to start it up to show you guys the misfire. Yo, it's a lot of spider webs. I mean, it's hot, so you probably start. Yeah. It's a lot of, good job. Good for his ass. I don't know why you sit up there. Anyway guys, you heard the misfire. So I start the car and I was gonna drive it. So it was running fine and everything. And I started up and I make a pull up the block and then it just started missing like really bad. So I figure it was the coil packs because I had the same issue. I had the same issue before where I blew up one coil pack, and I'm gonna show you what I did to check it to ensure it was the coil pack. So I mean, I picked these up from ECS. Let me pull one out if I can get it in the bag. So I bought these from ECS. So I'm gonna just throw these in and hopefully your problem solved. Alright, so let's see. Alright, let me pop the Mini. See what's going on here. Alright guys, so we're gonna pop out the coil packs. Alright, let me just show you what I did before to, you know, ensure it was the coil pack. So when I came here, I just pop each one out when the car was running. You know, if the car start acting weird, you know the coil pack is working. If you pop a coil pack off and the car is running just like it was before, then you have a problem. So what happened was, this one was the bad one. At first it was over here in cylinder 4, and I popped this up, nothing. So just to make sure it's a coil pack, I take the coil pack off, put it on this side, and see if the problem goes jump over here, and that's exactly what happened. So you know, I confirmed it was a coil pack. So I'm gonna just take these out and replace them and make the car run. Might take it for a spin around the block and see if there's any more issue. So let me just pop these out real quick. Clip on pretty nice too. I was gonna go OEM, but I don't know. OEM was kind of pricey, and these coil packs, they work on BMWs also, like the 335i, the turbo version. So they should be a little bit better than the stock Mini Cooper. So we'll pop these in. I got the last one left. Last one. Gotta get this thing out of here. Alright. Make sure that they're on there. Give them a little wiggle. Alright. I don't think I like the clips on these, the red ones. I don't feel so high quality like that. I can always replace the clips and just take these one off and just replace them on this. I know how I feel about the red. There's nothing red inside here, so let's see how hard it is to take this off. I don't want to break it, but I don't have to. Yeah, it's easy to get them off. I don't know. I'm gonna make sure everything works first before I jump to this. But seems like the covers are easy to remove. I just remove this one. Shouldn't be that crazy. I think this is the bad one. I'm gonna mark it, and I'm gonna keep these 3. I'm actually gonna keep all of them. I need to make sure to put the bad one separate. You know, I'm gonna just keep these. I'm gonna keep one in the car just in case I'm on the road and I blew one, because I don't know. My friend have the same issue where he constantly blowing the coil packs out. I'm hoping that that's not my issue. So the issue, guys. I'm gonna make the car warm up. Seems to be running fine. My intake box vibrate a lot. So I might have to find a contact point and like put a piece of like Velcro underneath, because it rattles. So, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna let the car warm up and then I'm gonna probably take it for a spin. Okay guys, now we're in the Mini. So it's been a while since I drove this car. Got a lot of stuff on the back too. Leaf falling all over the place. Well, I'm gonna give it a test drive, make sure that everything else is good. Oh shoot, got a check engine light. A little check engine light boy right there. Maybe it's for the whole coil pack that I just changed. So if it's for the coil pack, I probably just reset it when I get back. As a matter of fact, let me shut it off and turn it on back and see if it'll leave. Doubt it, but it's still there. But I'll just clear it when I get back. So why am I turning this thing upside down? Yeah, I'll give it a check when I get back. So I'm gonna just hook the GoPro and then go for a ride. that win, I'm gonna just put it up against the Subi. But you're gonna have to drive your own car. What you say about that? We're gonna go on a test run. I'm gonna teach you how to hold out the gears. But I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like a 4th gear pull. So we're gonna put the car in like 4th gear, go down to like 50. But your car probably gonna drag my ass like that. Probably. But we're gonna see.
The only way that you guys beat me with that car is because I can't shift that fast.
I mean, she can shift, but you know, with the whole like bringing it all to red line then shift, you know, she never did that. She kind of scared to do all of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a 4th gear pull with her. If I can't find nobody to help me out, I got, you know, a couple of my friends around, but you know,
everybody's willing to do it. It's just you don't want nobody to drive my car.
No. I mean, if they come along, I'll make them drive. But then again, you know, every time somebody else is driving somebody's car, they always baby it. You know. But I won't baby my shit.
Baby my car.
Well, I'm not gonna baby this. I'm gonna give it everything.
Actually, no, I'm the only one that brought this up to 18 pounds.
Yeah, guys. So look out for that video coming soon. I'm gonna try to run the Mini and the Fiat, which I think the Mini got more power than the Fiat. And then we're just gonna try to run whatever, win that with the Subi. Why is this guy on the sidewalk? Look at this guy right here. But from all the way down there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Why not?
Makes no sense. Some people just makes no sense at all. But anyway, guys, I don't have a lot of battery on this thing and it's blinking and everything, so I'll give you guys an update. Alright guys, so this is how the car is sitting right now. Looking nice, looking all nice and sassy. It's kind of dark on this side. Let me go up the front and see. Looking very nice. There's no complaint about this car that I have. I got a few scratches on there, but that's whatever. But the car is like hella dirty right now because of all the pollen. So yeah, I'm here. I'm just chilling. I'm gonna wait for her. She went to go do a COVID testing thingy. I'm supposed to do it too, but I don't have no mask in this car, so I don't know if they're gonna let me in. But anyway, guys, catch you guys in the next video.